friends, today I'm going to read Beat the Kitty in the Case of the Hiccups, but we have a special guest coming today, and it is, drumroll please, Beat the Cat. Oh, he still has the hiccups. Oh, maybe this magic book will help us. So let's start. This was the book when Pete was little. Okay, let's start. I'm Pete the Kitty in the Case of the Hiccups. Pete, don't get hiccups again. Pete the Kitty in the Case of the Hiccups. By James Dan. Hiccup, oh no, has got the hiccups. Hiccup, how do I stop my hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Todd, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Todd. You stand on one foot. You can try it at home. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. So now let's try. You stand on one foot, you hop up and down. Maybe that will work. Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. I don't know. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. Now you do it. You stand on one foot, you hop up and down, and you sing the song. La 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 la. Okay, if it works. Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, he sings the songs. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Hic. Oh. He's getting sad. If no one will help him, then I guess he will do it by himself. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. Now let's do it. You stand on one foot, you hop up and down, and sing the song, la 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 la, and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. La 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 la. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Maybe that will work. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. Now let's do it. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, says Pete. Pete asks, that's it, says Mom. Okay, maybe that will work. Pete waits and waits and waits. Now check the last page. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart.